You want my destiny.
Back from his military duties. Yeah. Jamari's here. Say something.
Shalom.
Nice. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We just got a brand new 8th gen Civic Si. So this Civic Si comes with upgraded rotors and upgraded brakes. Also has some, I think these are stock wheels but just powder coated. And then just a few body kit things like the front lip, side skirts, and the rear garnish. Oh yeah, and then the spoiler, of course, that's just sticking out. Lugin. Oh yeah, and then we have a tiny pipe right here. It's super tiny. It's basically just like a muffler delete. Yeah, we have aftermarket side skirts that are molded onto the car. I think it looks pretty neat actually. But this is gonna be the first time we're gonna drive this, or Mason at least. I drove it already. But we're gonna give you a review on the 8th gen Si. If you guys should consider buying this, or move away and maybe get a 9th gen like Mason's. There's always an argument between 8th gen and 9th gen and which one's better because different motors. This one revs higher, but his has a lower torque, right? Lower torque band. This is untuned, basically stock. We're gonna pop the hood real quick and then start up the car for you guys to see. We got the keys here. We're gonna start this baby up, cold start. Oh, also the interior looks nice. Yeah, it's super clean inside. And then we have an aftermarket shift knob. It's pretty much spotless in here. Oh, one more thing. We have a big subwoofer. I'm telling you, it's loud. And it sounds pretty nice.
Or if you lift this up and it's just a whole back system.
No, it comes with a spare actually. Do SIs come with spares?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. It's the rear of the car. This thing is opening up. We gotta tape this down later. But yeah, arrow baby, you see that?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Active girl.
Yeah, no, when I'm driving down and I'm on the freeway, I just see this entire time just wiggling. But yeah, we're gonna do our first start up right now. Oh my god, keys again. Show you it. Ooh. You know, you always gotta. Everyone knows that. We're testing out the speakers with the sub, non-copyrighted music, alright? So I don't listen to this. I have a lot of Justin Bieber and Ariana Grande. You know what I'm saying? We got gas in here, reverse. First drive. First impressions right here. Oh, that's pretty tight.
I'm a little too lazy to press the buttons on it.
That's just a distance.
It's a little too far for me.
A little is for noise. This is stock suspension, but it's actually been refurbished, so it has brand new like stock suspension. So it's
a lot cleaner.
Yeah, like
smoother.
A lot newer and cleaner. It's like when you're driving around, there's not really. It feels almost brand new, the suspension for this car. Only thing is this car does have 168,000 miles right now, so it's a little on the higher mileage. But you know these motors
for
can go,
yeah, it's
like real long time if you take care of it. You know, it'd be funny if we blow it up in this video right now. One flashing light. So yeah, it's a really long gear. But going. Still going. Still going. Not 8 yet? Now 8. Suspension feels pretty fine-tuned for being stock. And how high it is. It actually feels not as boaty as you would expect in an economy car. Honda shifters, one of the best shifters you can really get in any car. Buttery smooth. Every time I like downshift.
perfect beginner.
Yeah, perfect beginner car. You can get into the first gear really easily with no problems at all. It's a great daily driver, to be honest. You get like enough sport. Yeah, miles per gallon, you get a good amount. Nice comfortable cloth seats that bolster you in pretty well. And road noise is actually really quiet in here. It feels very comfortable.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Very quiet. Everything is like simple, plain. You know, your buttons are over here. You have your LSD. There's an LSD in this car, and you can really feel it when you're putting power down. If you're looking for a good daily driver, I think considering the 8th or 9th gen is really good because they're like really practical, and the price point of them right now is not as expensive. I would say it's like a good budget. Like it's about 10. You can get one for about 10,000 right now. There's also sedan versions that actually I think will go for a little cheaper. We're gonna have Mason drive it now. Mason, if you guys don't know, drives a 2012 9th Gen Civic Si, like as his daily, and he has like a Honda tune to it. So we're gonna have him test this out.
All right.
First reactions, what do you think?
It's nice. It feels new.
Feels new?
Or like it feels like my car, but like it doesn't feel 160,000 miles, to be honest.
Right?
Yeah.
It actually feels really nice and planted.
Yeah, dude, that's. I was 8K and it just felt nice just to hold it down.
Yeah. Oh, little guy. Oh, clutching all the way. I can make fun of Mason in the comments, dude.
Chill, right, yeah. I can't get. I gotta get used to a clutch, right?
Yeah, he's getting used to it. Don't worry.
Oh,
don't stop.
It feels weird, dude.
That's every SI though.
Yeah.
Performance is an economy car in the low end, and then sports car in the high end. This is how the interior looks. You have a little bit of suede on the side right here. It's nice. Up here it's a little plasticky, but I mean, no cracks or anything like the old JDM cars. I really don't have any complaints about this car.
Like, I was trying to find something about all kind of good stuff. As another C owner, a yes owner.
Yeah. The only complaint is the dash is a little plasticky, but no rattles or anything. Yeah, really not much to it. Very driver-oriented car. All these buttons are towards him.
Everything is pointing basically towards me.
I would say the seating position is a little high though, right?
Yeah.
It's on the higher side.
It's like kind of face towards this way. Like I feel like I have to push higher because with mine it's already like it's like leveled, so I kind of just have to do it. But this one I feel like I have to reach in order to go to third and all the higher gears. So
the positioning of the shifter is a little different.
Yeah, it's a little. Maybe I'm just short. I don't know.
And if you guys are looking for one, the market of them are a little high because all used cars are inflated. But if you guys can find one for a good deal, I would say around like $6,000 to $7,000 would be a really budget-friendly price range. You guys should pick it up.